The Holy Stone HS710 drone is equipped with an ultra-high-definition 4000 camera that offers stunning details and a wide field of view. Featuring intelligent flight modes, this drone can autonomously follow you, fly along waypoints, or focus on a specific point of interest, enhancing the creative possibilities. Designed with beginners in mind, it includes features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landing, and smart return to home, making it easy to operate. The drone's stability is ensured by its dual-mode global positioning system and optical flow positioning, allowing it to hover steadily both indoors and outdoors. Powered by robust brushless motors, the HS710 maintains stability even in windy conditions, and its modular batteries provide a flight time of up to 25 minutes. Its lightweight and foldable design makes the HS710 easy to transport, eliminating the need for FAA registration and reducing travel burden.